that we, today, in 2024, are not ready for any change that we may choose in Nigeria, whether it be the fourth change or the fifth change, which is what we're doing, then we dishonor our forefathers before us, the likes of King Koko, Adakaboro, Ernest Okoli, Melford Okoli, Melford Okilo, and King Jaja of Opobo. Today, at this very moment, some may say that we are not ready. We are not ready because some of us give people the impression that IJAW people are not ready. Some IJAW people may not be ready, but some IJAW people are ready for any eventuality, and I am included in some of those IJAW people. Thank you. We must agree as a people that we have put up for too much, not just enough, too much. We have put up for too much. We have heard once again that certain people in certain areas are prepared for certain changes that we have been demanding for. In 2014, I was in the national conference, and I was in the Committee of Devolution of Power. And there I saw, and I was totally and absolutely convinced then that I was raised to know that I am different from anybody else in Nigeria, and that I was possibly put into this country that is called Nigeria. I was raised to know that I could, as an IJAW person, at any time choose to not be part of what is oppressive to me. It is a right. In the physical eyes of Nigeria and the world, and the physical thoughts of Nigeria and the world, it may seem that we are not ready. But in my own mind and in my heart, we are ready, and we must show that we are ready. Starting from this, we must show that we are ready. We're talking of blue economy, and we've been told that we own 65% of what is going to be the blue economy. I do not think that the blue economy should start without the IJAW people playing 65% of the role. We should not hand over the blue economy the way we handed over the resources of oil and gas. If we have not learned anything, in my lifetime, at least now I can see very clearly that we have to insist that we head the blue economy that is in our places to head, and that nobody else should come and head the blue economy that is in your lands. We are indeed ready, and that this is the time and this is the place that IJAW people will start that movement of saying it is either we are part of what we own or we take what we own. There is no crime in that. There is no sin in that.